These are 2 packs of Pops Kettle Corn, which is one of the most delicious popcorn brands from the States. We are going to unbox 2 different flavors, Panda and Pop's mix. First, we have a closer look at the Panda version. This snack is gluten and trans fat free. Let's open the package. The caramelized popcorn is partly covered with fine dark and white chocolate. It looks very delicious, so let's give it a try. The popcorn is very crunchy and you can clearly taste the drizzled chocolate. This is very yummy. Now we are going to open the Pops Mix Edition. On top of this caramelized popcorn is a savory cheddar cheese layer. The taste is very interesting because it is first a bit cheesy, but then you have the strong and sweet caramel flavor. We love both flavors. It's hard to tell which one tastes better. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.